If you're looking for dog toys balls large, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dog toys balls large. Number 1, most popular, by Kong. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Kong. Number 3. For more dog toys balls large, just click this circle. Number 4, by Gnawsome. Number 5, by Squeezz. Find these dog toys balls large at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Kong. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Petworks. Number 9, by Snug. Discover more dog toys balls large ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by JW Pet.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.